charge. Tony's in charge. He's got the knowledge, the skills, and the art. Streaming live, stock trading all day, helping people learn and make money their own way. From Wall Street to Tokyo, Tony's got the flow. Teaching the game, ain't nothing to show. He's got the charts, the trends, and the moves. Making profit, making moves his groove. Trading with Tony, he's the man. Learn from him, you'll join the winning band. Making money worldwide, it's a blast. Trade with Tony and making fortune fast.
Please. Right, this way.
watch, Tony's in charge. He's got the knowledge, the skills, and the art. Streaming live, stock trading all day, helping people learn and make money their own way. From Wall Street to Tokyo, Tony's got the flow. Teaching the game, ain't nothing to show. He's got the charts, the trends, and the moves. Making profit, making moves is groove. Trade with Tony, he's the man. Learn from him, you'll join the winning band. Making money worldwide, it's a blast. Trade with Tony and making fortune fast.
Well, good morning, traders. Let's see what the market gives us today. Oh, quite a few gappers this morning. Quite a lot of action as it happens. Got the 8 o'clock algorithmic scrum happening right now. Some big movers already. Aegis, ticker RGS, what I'm looking at right now, moved up over 90%, well, 100% I think on the day when I look at it. Hey Fish Dude, morning Stone Cold. 500% runner. Well, I've had a 100% runner already, so I hope you managed to catch some of Regis and or the NVX or WVE. Let's have a look at WVE right now. Regis seems to be pulling back a bit, so I'm just going to go to WVE. Wave Life Sciences, and they have had Catalyst clinical trials for Huntington's disease treatment. So they've announced results from the trials demonstrating mutant Huntington. Demonstrating lowering of 40% of the mutant Huntington and lowering with preservation of wild type Huntington. I don't know what that means, but it's a catalyst. Someone who's a doctor or in the medical industry might know what it means, but I certainly don't. So we lost 500 bucks on microalgo. The microalgo yesterday moved huge amounts, massive mover yesterday, and we saw it moving up again today. Bought it at the top, ticked it, and lost 500 bucks, and then we gain most of that back on RGS. So we're looking at what else we can trade. I think RGS is looking at making another move back up. What happened there? Yeah, well, I'll go again. So, morning, Stone Cold Hector. Morning to you, buddy. Good morning, dude, and Neil. Actually, I need some lubricant. Go and get myself a drink. You look after the you guys look after the market. I'll get myself a quick drink. Oh, what's with all these algo spikes here? What's going on there? The 8 o'clock scrummage. Hey, Lisa. Good to have you. Much better. NVX. Let's have a look at EMVX. Volume look great on this. Up there at 14s, all the way from 12. Live Life Sciences. It's up quite a lot as well, nearly 10%. Some good movers this morning. Been complaining this last couple of days that we've not had the movers, but getting a few movers now, so no more complaints, guys. Well, playing all you want. I mean, free internet. Well, it's not free. I mean, you still got to pay for it, but you know, there's regulations that you've got supposed to adhere to, but unless you go on the dark web, then it's a free for all. Hey Vegas. I don't like this double top on Wave Life Sciences. Needs to hold the VWAP for me. VWAP's currently at 780. If it breaks below that, then you've got the $0.75 there just below, so maybe it can get a bit of support there. Yeah, I caught a little of it, but I was already in the hole to the tune of $500 there, Vegas. So I caught a little. Oh, that latest one. Right. Okay, I missed that one. I'll have to wait. Oh, what happened yesterday when I just chased? I have to wait for a nice pullback. That's a nice pop as well. $2. Whoa. I hate these algo spikes. Still up at 1150. Yeah, that's scare a lot of people, that will. No, I'm not. What we got? Rates are actually we're back up at $12. Waiting for that pullback. $0.20 on the spreads. All right, any green's good green there, Vegas. Yeah, I'm gonna. Still getting some algo spikes coming through on certain charts. So Volcon's got a $2 algo spike there happening right now. The pullback we're looking for, but I'll wait for another candle. What we can get out of it today? Very volatile. Very volatile. I've got a bit of a iffy stomach today as well. So I was trading this. I'll show you where I was trading it. I traded this here. My first entry was a loss, but then I got in here. Got it up, added profits there, got caught short, had to take a bio break, and it popped and went without me. Came back and it started consolidating. Well, actually, came back here and I was looking for an entry for the break of 10, and although it did, it was behaving like it was a little bit too extended, so I didn't get in for the break of 10, and then it pulled back, and obviously I missed the last pop. So yeah, I've left a good $2 on the table there. Friends. Yeah. Take my mouse pad into the toilet, into the bathroom with me. You've got when you get the stomach pains and you're in a trade, you're like, oh no, I can't just you're profitably in the trade as well. I can't close it just yet, and then gets too much, and think, okay, I'm just going to move my stop up and go. Morning, Nate. $0.20 risk. Probably too tight, given that the ATR is $2, but yeah, I'm still in it. You've got $1.89 on the ATR. That can't be right. That must be the algo spikes there that's causing that ATR. That looks a bit wrong. Amy, what a position. I don't know what you're asking. What's the stock? What's the ticker? I mean, it's all in front of you there, Betty. Got the ticker is RGS. It's Regis Corporation. The equities. It's not forex or crypto. It's equity, stocks and shares on the NYSE and the NASDAQ. I'll have a look at Wave. It looks like it's back to Wave. The science in a moment. Back up to 12. Come on, you know you want to do it for me. That wants to come in. No, no worries there, Cami. Not Bitcoin, not crypto. This is, like I say, equity, stocks and shares on the NYSE and the NASDAQ. Yep. Or a move up. What we want, not a move down. So stop that. Ideally, swing high. So another $2 would be nice. Yes, I am Trader Eba. How did you guess? Reds, 10 cents. $0.30 on this now. Only got 250 shares in there, so I'm risking 30 cents. Move up. Look like I'm looking for that break out to the upside, but it doesn't look like it's going to do it. So I might just quit it. Put it. Right. Risking 75 bucks. Red day yesterday, Jack. So we go again today. I traded like a moron with micro algo yesterday. It was wild. I didn't get not quick enough to catch that. like it's going to pull back and stop me. We'll see. Which way does it want to go? Hey, Alberto. Pretty much, Eva. Pretty much. There's a volume cap, so it has to have traded 200,000 shares. That's the volume cap in the regular session. It has to have traded 20,000 shares in the pre and post market session. So if it's not liquid enough, they won't let you trade it. But if it is liquid enough, then yeah. So pretty much, I've not come across any of the tickers that are moving. I've not come across any tickers that. Yeah, that's. Yeah, I was risking 75. A bit of slippage there. We'll see. It still looks good. RGS still looks very good. But yeah, it does. But no, it's not, Jack. But it's not supposed to be. Trading's not easy. Let's face it. Waiting now until 5-minute high, so we're looking at 11.6. Live bio pulling back. The X moving up higher as well. And a VIX Corporation. Are you on it, Jack? NVX. Don't like the candle. Low range candles on it. I don't like that. Breaks below the 20, it might do a bit of a pullback, maybe even below $10. So, opportunity stop. That's quite a good microphone management. Oh, so we've had quite a lot of movement. We've got. I'm still watching micro algo after the huge rip it had yesterday. Watching RGS, which is what we've got in front of us, Regis Corporation. Volcom seems to have pulled back quite a bit. We'll keep an eye on that. It's still over 40% up on the day. Wave Life Sciences, that's pulling back now, but Still a good catalyst, still over 30% up on the day. NYSE is the one that's moving at the moment. Top momentum chart to the upside. NYSE. That's just over 20% up on the day. The NVX. I was looking at that. I was thinking if it breaks 6, I'll short that. But as soon as I turned it on, it's already gone down there. I missed my opportunity. Going red on the day. Full figure. Wave Life Science. Nice catalyst. Good clinical trials. And what the heck? Lost all of its gains. Huntington's disease breakthrough, and it's popped up, went up huge amounts, and now it's just the market can be illogical longer than I can be solvent. That's what they say. Back to RGS. Stop time. Oh, there you go. That's a nice little trade. 330 on that trade. So that takes us into 3 numbers for the day. Hey, anybody else managed to get that pop? Lovely bull flag. Oh, that's quite a long bull flag, but it's a lovely bull flag there. Once I drew that line, as soon as it broke out, that's what I was looking for. The break above that bending resistance, and once it popped, It then found support as it pulled back on that line and moved up. Lovely bull flag. Broke out here above this line. And then I just kept moving my stops up. Once I got past the 60-second mark, I just kept moving my stops up and it was fine. Only 250 shares. And if it's pulled back a bit. Red Life Science looks to be bouncing on the on yesterday's close price. A quick look at SolidGenics. SolidGenics shares trading higher. The company announced clinical results on a comparative study evaluating hybrid against alkyl in the treatment of venous T-cell lymphoma. Let's have a quick look at the chart then. No volume. Oh well. No harm in taking a look. In stock of the day, RGS. No volume on that one. Oh, we'll wait. Getting a bit extended now, and it's a bit dangerous to chase it up here at $13. Oh, we'll just electrocute. Once it starts to make consecutive swing lows, it could be a good one to short. Starts to show any kind of weakness. RGS, I mean, it's 153% up at the moment. 150%, yeah, 100. What are my plans after getting qualified? I'm just going to continue trading, Dave. I'm telling you, Vegas, it's miles ahead of TOS. Probably trade it a couple of months in Trade the Pool. I like the community as well. But I will go back to DAS later this year. excuse me. I just want to make sure. I just want to take it easy and get my mojo back, if you will. I've not been feeling it the same way for the last couple of months. Kind of finding a bit of support at the $0.75 level there. Wait for another 5-minute candle form. What have we got? We've got quite a lot of time before the market opens, 50 minutes. Wait till 1:45 before I decide. Wait. I want to trade this again. Well, that's unfortunate, Daniel. Well, you can still trade. You've just got to stick it to the pre-market, the pre and post market, I guess. Or maybe look into swing trading. Most people, a lot of people that are still got a 9 to 5, they look at swing trading, and that way you just put your position on and swing it for a couple of days. It takes a little bit more research. It takes a little bit more nuance in terms of reading the fundamentals. It's more than just technical, which is what day trading really is. But well, no, I mean, there's no action. I mean, let's just have a quick look at micro algo where there's no action. Yesterday, MLGO. Let's go back. We'll put this on the 15-minute chart. No, we'll put it on the 5-minute chart. We'll go back yesterday. Well, this is, yeah, I suppose you're right. Later in the day, moved up. Keep pretty much after hours. So I'll go. Oh no, this was yesterday, wasn't it? There you go. Micro algo yesterday. So you said from 11 till 11:30, 11:50, 11:30. Hey, you'd have caught that one, nice. Micro algo, and then the pop up. So there is still get moves over the lunchtime break. But that one, I missed that one. I was in bed. I went to sleep. Actually, I wasn't in bed. We had guests over, so I was drinking. I was on the gin and tonic at that stage. So maybe I should have stuck around and carried on trading, because that was mental. kind of $8 all the way up to, well, after hours, it went to a high of 14.92. And Columbus sailed the ocean blue. So that was microalgo yesterday. I traded this, a couple of entries with this and lost both times. But what are you going to do? Let's go back to 1 minute time frame. Microalgo flag? Alan, you mean on RGS? Not much happening with microalgo at the moment, but on RGS, there's another potential flag here. Why I just marked it out there. RGS Regis Corporation. I'm watching that again, that standing resistance, wait for the confirmation and then see if it then breaks highs. How high is it going to go? Already 156% up on the day. Well, I agree with you, Alan, but you just saw Wave Life Science do something illogical with that pop and drop. So, yeah, I mean, this is the third flag, and they don't tend to be as reliable. We've had looking on the 5 minute, we had the first flag here, then it into the spikes of the 8 o'clock algos. Then it moved up. Second flag moved up again. So this is the third flag. Third 5 minute pullback. $0.75. Well, we're going to get the breakout. You get new highs. New high of the day, but we're going to get a breakout. Time yet? Chance? Maybe. I'm going to stop out here. Just get a little bit more. $44 on the ATR. Spreads of, wow, spreads are quite big, 20 cents. I missed it. Get another go. Inflation. Can we get over 14 bucks? 14. Look for $14. Looking $14. That's 14. Oh, rejected at 14. Let's see if we can break it. $0.20 spreads. I've got the stop at 40. Can we get over $14, Steve? Back over 40. 81. Take that off. A little bit of profit. Oh, as it breaks out. But I was right to take it off because look at that flush down. Now we'll probably get an extended pullback. Yeah, we can look at Cypher for you right now. Hey Adam, how you doing? No volume on Cypher. Have a quick look at it. So we've got it's had a couple of bad days, as has the market overall, but I'm looking at it on the daily. Well, so let's just look at it on the daily. Cypher. There's no volume at the moment. There's no range of it on the moment with Cypher. Cypher mining, and whilst it's on the daily, let's just narrow this down. This is the daily chart. It's kind of sideways. Been quite sideways for the last while. Last couple of days, it's pulled back, but in and around kind of $4, give or take, is where it's been going sideways of. So Cypher, nothing from an intraday perspective today that I can see right now. Nobody trading it. It's up about 40 cents on the day, which is about 10%. Not too bad, but there's no volume. There's nobody trading it. Yeah, keep an eye at the open, because the volume should come in at the open. Never know. Right. So La Rosa Holdings, LRHC. Why is that moving up? Let's find out. Is there any news on it? On Ben Singer, don't let me down. So this La Rosa Holdings unveils AI expansion strategy. Targets 100 million revenue run rate. The white labeling proprietary AI system Jamie to support real estate agents creating new revenue stream. Say that Jamie's experienced a 92.5% increase in utilization in 5 months after the launch. After its launch. Okay. 9 million flow. Already hit its average daily volume, and then some. Well, yes, I'd like a little bit of consolidation. Let it cool down a bit. A little bit of consolidation before going in there. It's too extended at the moment to chase it. So as far as I'm concerned, I'll wait till the open there before trading that again, unless it really starts to run. But it's looking very dangerous at the moment. RGS. Barossa, that's a quick move up. Looks like a bit of a pop and drop, but interesting news break. Thanks, Bobby. Market is up today. The market, the S&P 500, the SPY, it's all up today. But after 3 days of pulling back, is it just going to be a bounce? Is it going to hold those gains? Oh, RGS is breaking out again. I don't trust it up here though. Pulled back to the 9, I might take it, but I'll wait for a significant pullback now on this one. Very extended up there at $15. I've got a frog in my room. The joys of living in the tropics. Where did that come from? Look, everybody. This is the Day Trade with Tony Frog. Go figure. Still get high licking the mucus off the back of a frog. Bobby, no, this is the 80k account. The 80k account. Although I can only use 15% of the buying power pre-market. Go figure. When this pulls back, it's going to pull back hard. Just be careful, guys. Still trading this, just be very careful. Big drops. LRHC up at 225 now. Come back to Regis in a moment. LRHC moving again. Got momentum stock right now, just slightly above Regis percentage wise. Only because Regis pulled back a bit. Yeah, unfortunately, Wave Life Sciences, you'd think that was a good catalyst, but you never quite know how the market's going to react to a news drop. Wave Life Sciences moved up like 50% or whatever it was, and then came back straight back down again. So, go figure. Volcon popping. Not great on the volume. It's still 60% up on the day. This is another gapper. One to watch at the open for potential gap and go. Another one to watch, I should say. Alcon does get back over the VWAP. It might be interesting. Not seeing much volume on it though, so again, just to try and trade it with this level of volume. Right. All right. Well, we've got a little over 20 minutes before the market actually opens proper. I'm still doing it, Alistair. This is it. I've got two accounts with Trade the Pool at the moment. I've got a 20k account and I've got this one, which is the 80k account. I wasn't enjoying the 20k account. It was a little bit. I'm not used to taking like 50 shares or 100 shares. Keep it within the risk factors. So I sized up and went with the 80k account. With the right entry down this one. Yeah, that's correct, Alistair. Yeah, it's a bit easy. Well, I say it's easier. It's a bit more forgiving, should I say? There's a bit more wiggle room for trading. I've got all my shortcuts set up for lots of 250. So it's like 250, 500, 1,000. 2,500, 5,000. That's like my shortcuts. I wouldn't say it's too difficult. It depends on what you're comfortable trading. If you go, it's just go for your smaller share size, and don't try and do it in it. I think the problem with most people when they try a prop trade, a funded trader challenge with a prop firm is. Get in there and they try and make the entire lot in a single day. Don't do that. Break it. I've got 45 days to make 4,200. Effectively, my target should be $100 a day to do it. Realistically speaking, of course, I want to do it quicker than that, but if you break it down, on average, you should be trading. If you trade $100 worth of profit per day, at the end of the 45 days, you'll get your funded trader challenge, and you'll get your account. And when you think about that, every 45 days, trading in the exact same way, you're making 4K. So. Someone else's money. Then you do another challenge and you have two accounts on the go at the same time and you make an 8K. Very easy, Alistair. Very easy with the chart trading, visual trading on the chart. I should have bought 230. That was the right entry the first time. It was the right entry the second time. But I'm not feeling this one. I don't know why. Oh no, it's they do, Alistair, they do. You get a better payout as well with the larger the account, the better the payout. Volcom pulling back. Sideways, that's what I like. But LRHC is the top momentum stock right now. We'll go back to Regis. Another flag setup. Higher time frames. I like it consolidating here. The VWAP is up at like 14.50. The VWAP's down there at under $11, so it's very extended. We'll see what happens in 18 minutes when the bell rings, when the bell goes off. Yeah, full tilt Tony was having its effect on me though. Getting him. So yeah, I'll get back there. Just I want to do it on my terms. Having an effect on me mentally, I would say. No, I've changed it. I've changed it around a little bit, Alistair. Okay, I'll take a quick look at that for you there, Rustlers. NPCS symbol does not exist on this platform. Let's have a quick look in Benzinga. You've got that right there, Rustlers. Is that the right ticker? I'm not finding that ticker anywhere. No, I'm not seeing that. Can't even find it in Benzinga, so it's not on this platform. It's not. What's the company? Nice. Like to set up again, but I think this might be topping here. If it breaks below the 9, I might look at an opportunity to short this down towards $10. Breaks below the 9 EMA. think it might pull back a good $3. See. Back to LRH. Got momentum stock of the moment. I didn't like it up there at the $0.50. That's where it kind of held the first time, and it struggled. So don't like that doji. Volcon's looking nice actually at the moment. It's a nice flag setup on Volcon. It's rejected at the VWAP again. So if it can get over the VWAP, maybe we'll see some movement on Volcon, but don't like it there. When I've got a total of $4,200 in profits, that's the target. $4,200 is the target. So I had a bit of a setback yesterday. So $700 is my balance at the moment. Red day yesterday, but that was after 3 days of trading. Yes and no. So one of the rules for the qualification stage is that no single trade can be over 30% of your profits. So might be one ticker. You take multiple trades on the one ticker. And then we're getting a breakout there with the LRHC. Every time I switch off, shiny object syndrome. Every time I switch over to something else, get a pop. Whatever I'm looking at pops out. It was a nice ascending wedge. Look at this here. We had lovely ascending wedge upwards with the horizontal. That ascending wedge, and it broke out. Typically they do that, you know. Typical for an ascending wedge. Get the break coming up to the apex of it, it breaks out and moves higher. That's correct, Alistair. Level 2, I don't know, where's the level 2 on this? Level this time of sales, but I can't see level 2. Hey Matt, how you doing? Exactly, Alistair. ECL had earnings this morning. Carnival Cruise Lines, there you go. Just drop their earnings. That one, 950. Yeah. Just drop their earnings. Earnings beat. EPS beat. Sales beat. Good earnings from Carnival Cruise Lines. Hey Alistair, how you doing, buddy? Got 5 minutes. 5 minutes before the bell. I think Carnival could be one to watch at the bell, but given that they've just dropped earnings, positive earnings, could be one to watch at the open. Well, views are slightly down, but we've got 5 minutes to get the like count up. Come on, guys. Let's. If you've not hit the thumbs up button, do it now. Let's get to 50 likes. I'm not jumping in this one 5 minutes before the bell rings. I think it probably will move, but I think probably better to wait. LRHC still looking very strong. It's a nice upwards channel. Nice bullish channel, that one with Arosa. Regis sideways at the moment, consolidating sideways at the moment, so keep an eye on that one. I think you probably get some profit takers at the open. It might go again, but I think we'll probably get maybe a dip and rip if it does. What else have we got? Volcon pulling back into the open. What's she doing there? What are you doing in the bathroom? Silly dog. What? Got grey hair. Birthday next month. Birthday next month. Oh, August. Not in July yet. Right, ta-da. Lovely with you. Smell nice again after your bath today. Okay. Point taken. Point taken. I do The thing is, getting I do announce it in the Discord, but usually what the last thing you want to be doing is trying to make a video and editing videos when you're not feeling well. I usually just announce it in the Discord, so everybody that's in the Discord gets notified. I need a brush. Oh, this. Well, if you look in the comments, no, I do respond to questions. Yeah, what I might do is if next time I'll just put the scanners up and let you know that I'm not going to be trading for whatever reason. That way, at least you'll be able to chat amongst yourselves within the community. Oh, we've got 2 minutes. 2 minutes and change, guys. UK is also moving up to another Carnival Cruise Lines. Well, guys, let me know what you're watching at the open. You've got 90 seconds. Smash that like button. We need 13 likes so I can feed the dog a treat. And Nano Nuclear is having another good one as well. Oh, 30 seconds, guys. Let's see what do we think is going to happen? Is the market going to hold its gains today, or is it going to be a red day, another red day, fourth one in a row? Will it continue to move upwards? It's above the VWAP at the moment on the SPY. GameStop dropping like a stone. Is the market open? He halted. Right in a capital grade. Not great volume, but RGS, PG Corps down there at 1350s. Volcon testing 6 again. Barossa testing highs. La Rossa now breaking highs. Volcon smashed the 6, it's now for $6.25, $250, $6.25. Volcon looking interesting. Not seeing anything that's really pumping out. But that's just pumped out at me. But no volume. And then popped up. No, nobody traded it pre-market, but moved up quite a bit. 10%. Wait for kind of volume. Doesn't have any volume at the moment. Have a look at Volcon. Volcon back over the VWAP. Broke the VWAP for the first time. It was rejected at the VWAP early in pre-market. Now over the VWAP. Back under again. Back under the VWAP. Volcon. Fresh. Over the VWAP. La Rossa breaking highs. Again. Ladies. It's based on the closing price of the last candle, or the current price. So when you've got the candle moving, it's the current, not the ask price, but the last. It's weighted with volume as well, but the last transaction that went through. That's why your current candle, your live candle. It does fluctuate. This is a bit. I'm missing a few candles. Did this yesterday. I think there's a bit of a glitch on the platform at the moment at the open. So let's see what happens. I can't trade while I can't see. Yeah, no, absolutely, Alistair. It's based on last transaction. We just halted to the upside. That one, I did say, you like to get a dip and rip. Looks like Vulcan also halted to the upside. Oh no, not halted. Halted. A little late to that one. I wanted to get the break of 7, but didn't manage it. Look at RGS. RGS should be coming in out of the halt in a next time. Oh, about a minute. And second-ish. Oh. Right, it's 20 cents on the spreads. 20-cent spreads. Aegis. We're going to get new highs. Is it going to get there's 60? Wow. I was looking for the break of 16. It's too. It's like that's Consolidate. 75. This is bad. Alright, on a hold. Volcon, I still am, yeah. Watching that. There you go. Stop tape by the spread. Spread's got me there. Alright. Ten-minute halt on Volcon. Anybody got a resumption price for Volcon for me? Might be have a time to sell. $8.45 for Volcon. That can't be right. Cool. I'll take that every day. 8.45. Don't think that's going to be right. That's over $1 up. Thanks, Daniel. Either way, missed that on dice. One minute left on this one. RGS looking at testing the highs again, 1750. Resumption. 10 minutes. Resumption on Volcon. Yeah, it's a 10 minute, 15 or 20 or something, I don't know. See. Right to get the break of 20. And like that. In for the break of 80. Yeah, well, not on timing wise. Wolf. Wolf. quite a bit. 13%. Open. More than about 10% since it's open. Another wolf. Absolutely. 260 stone cold. 260. Go back to Volcom. Push it down on me. Yeah, I think I think 20 is a bit of a given there, Alan. It's getting because the swings both ways. It's trying to find the right entry. Setting up the flags, lovely. It really is. This should resume, assuming it's a 15-minute halt. Anybody got a resumption price for me on Volcon? Well, it's not a 15-minute halt. Must be 20. Well. Smash that like button, guys. Let's get to 50 likes. Can. MVX breaking highs, getting CCL up there at the highs, LRHC up at the highs, 320s. What else? Microalgo. Have a look at Microalgo. Plus halted. Microalgo halted. This went up to over $15. So this phenomenal move towards the end of the last couple of hours of yesterday. RGS consumption. Oof, big spreads now. 40-cent spreads. It's getting a bit tired now. The liquidity is drying up. That's why the spreads are so big. 890. Wow. I hope so. Range on this is huge. Be careful, guys. Trade small with this one. Back over 19. Might go again. 1997. We said 20, so we just missed out slightly, ever so slightly. Don't think it'll do 20. Looks strong, particularly on the 5 minute. Higher time frames, looks very strong. I'm gonna switch over to Volcon because I want to see the resumption. Wow. Got a trailing stop in place there now. $0.50 trailing stop. So I can leave that. Where it's at. Oh, I definitely got in on the right one. That was huge. Tesla breaking highs. Depop popping. Back at 10.05 or Volcon. Depop popping. This is 184. It's just under $2, so it's not in the range that I like to trade yet. But micro algo resumed. Have a quick look at micro algo. Micro algo high of 1480 there. volume seems to be erratic, but will be one to watch. $15 was yesterday's close price. Like I say, one to watch. Yeah, a bit of a flush there, LRHC. Back under $3 now. Right. Well done. Let's go back to Volcom. Anybody got a resumption price on Volcom for me? About 10 seconds before resumption if it's a 5-minute halt. Stop me out there. That's all right. That's a nice $960 in that trade. Good day. 670 on the day. Of course, doesn't it? Well, it's like living in a jungle. That's me done, guys. 670 on the day. That's me done. That's today's target done. So we're back up to around 30. Well, that should take me to back up to about 1250. Let's see. Another halt. Okay. Well, I'm going to wrap it up, guys. So we'll be back tomorrow, same time, same place. I'm going to carry on trading for a little while, but if you're in the Discord, I'll keep you updated. If you're not, then where are you? I will see you tomorrow, 7 o'clock with the scanners and 8 o'clock live. So if you want to join me, you know where we are. Okay, guys, take it easy.
large. Tony's in charge. He's got the knowledge, the skills, and the art. Streaming live, stock trading all day, helping people learn and make money their own way. From Wall Street to Tokyo, Tony's got the flow. Teaching the game, ain't nothing to show. He's got the charts, the trends, and the moves. Making profit, making moves, his groove.